The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Johnson County in north-central Texas, northwestern Hill County in central Texas, southwestern Ellis County in north-central Texas, until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Lake Pat Cleburne, or near Cleburne, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Waxahachie, Cleburne, Hillsboro, Keene, Italy, Itasca, Grandview, Maypeel, Bloom, Covington, Bingham, Carl's Corner, Lake Pat Cleburne, Parker, Rio Vista, Milford, Coyote Flats, Sen Flat, Osceola, and Woodbury. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for central and north-central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning can kill. Heavy rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.